Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Irunmoles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you.
To explore full Yoruba stories, IFA teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. Where Ogbe detested humanity and withdrew into the forest.
Prayer, rezo. Adifa fun ayaba, Oba manibu, yakua, sile, odone, ashaba, niada, ada, ogun, ofo, leri. Toku eyi, ni bobo enian, araye, ni ofo tura lade, ni latiba osha, umbo eleshe. Igi ero e son laba ero. Ni adimu oba loda fun, oshun mori. Yeyeo oba ofo. Ai oti airani eya ashiri. Ni ada oba orisha. First suyere. Oba sibo e wure alada mekinewa. Oba sobore e wure. Second suyere. Oba adalowo kinowo iku, are iki ewure. Pataki, sacred story. In this path, Oba was the queen of Takua and the favored wife of Sango. Trusting the misguided advice of Oya, she cut off her right ear to give it to Sango in order to retain him. However, once informed by Oya of Oba's mutilation, Sango repudiated the relationship he had with her. Disillusioned with humanity, Oba took up her weapons of war, a great machete, and withdrew into the forest, taking with her all the descendants of the earth, those skeptical and messianic beings who despised contact with humans. In the middle of that immense forest, Oba wept and swore vengeance upon all those she considered unworthy of living on the land she walked upon. From her tears arose a great lagoon, which guarded her deepest secrets, her 9 powers, symbolized by 9 rings of 9 colors, the colors of her kingdom's banner. She fed herself on white mangoes, fruits produced in that forest. Likewise, her warriors ate them and gained strength and vigor. At intervals, Oba descended from the mountain into her former land, moving as a force of reckoning. All who encountered her fell under her decree, without exception, not even her own Omode, while her chant carried across the land like a warning. Oba ada lawa kiniwe, ile ere ele iku ere. Terror ruled Takua. No one dared leave the city limits. Her sister Oshun Itutinibo decided to resolve the situation and went to Orunmila, who revealed this Ifa and declared that a ceremony was needed so that Oba could again be recognized as a benevolent Ayaba, for she was the owner of the secrets of witchcraft in the land of Takua. Oshun and Orunmila went with the she-goat to the foot of the mountain and called Oba. Upon hearing the suyere, Oba emerged with her warriors. Seeing her sister, she embraced her and said, "Only you can make Oba Yuru once again be known by the heads of the people of Takua." She ate the great meal of she-goat offered by Oshun and Orunmila. With the goat's ear, they fashioned an ornament that concealed her mutilation. Thus Oba returned to be known again among the inhabitants of Takua, and her children were spared death thanks to the intervention of Orunmila and Oshun. Final note. In this Ifa is born the reason that when Oba touches the head of her children, it signals death. It is also established that for any work performed on their heads, Oshun must be present, and even then, the Babalawo's mediation is indispensable. Numerous ceremonies must be carried out beside the lagoon and the river before consecration. Here also is born the tradition that Ogbe wears 9 rings or nose rings, linked by woven ribbons of 9 colors, which live within Ogbe.